Alright, so what's good? Welcome back to the channel. Today is very exciting. We are going to be showing you the new whip for the channel. I got a new car, kind of a car, and you know, I don't know. Let's see what you guys think. Quick, put it in the comments right now. Put it in the comments right now. What do you think we got? It's gonna be a fun build. It's gonna be a cheap build. It's gonna be something that anybody could obtain and have a little fun with. And it's a gas saver. What do you think it is? Put it in the comments right now. Come on, do it. And while you're at it, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, let's show you this thing. It needs some love, but it means a lot to me, a lot of sentimental value. So let's go ahead and peep this out. Sheesh, it's Mr. Steal Your Girl. I'm telling you right.
I know this truck. I ain't no stranger. I know that truck. That's a Ford fucking Ranger. Fucking Ranger. Ford Ranger.
No, I'm messing with you guys. This is the new truck, I guess, for the channel. The Ford Ranger. The Ford mother Ranger, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up on it and give you guys an idea of what we're gonna be doing to it. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun build. Shit makes me laugh. So obviously walking around it, it's not too bad shape, but we're going new headlights for sure. The grill's cracked. We're gonna need a new grill. Front bumper's beat up. Okay, let's see what else. Probably gonna get some new wheels, maybe lift it. What do you guys think? Baja? I don't know. Bed definitely needs a liner. Definitely needs a liner. Gonna address this rust up here, so we're gonna be doing all that. We're gonna be let's see what else we need. Maybe some tail lights. Definitely gonna get some tint. And this side of the bed has some dents on it, so we're gonna be figuring out how to do body work, try to get these dents out. We're all gonna learn together, I guess. You know, got some overspray on this fender. Looks like they replaced it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean that up. Maybe we'll wrap it. Maybe we'll paint it a different color. But yeah, I mean, she's pretty clean. She runs good. This was my grandma's truck. She's had it for almost 20 years. So, you know, when I was able to pick it up off her, it meant a lot. So, to me, you know, and this thing needs some love. I tell you what, this was just the go-getter. So moving into the interior, this thing is thrashed. So our next video will be a complete detailing video, pulling everything out of here. The seat's ripped, but look, this thing is dirty. Dirty. But yes, she's a 5-speed. Yes, sir. So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna change the infotainment center. Like I said, tint. Change the cluster up, steering wheel possibly, maybe change the headliner, maybe put the starlights in here. Ooh. Let's pop the hood, see what we're rocking underneath. Oh yeah, there you go. 4-banger. Looks like we're gonna be doing some work on this too. Looks like it needs a valve cover gasket, probably do some spark plugs. Yeah, get that going, oil change, maybe put an intake, who knows. Has a mirror delete. It looks like the mirror might have fallen off, so we're gonna go ahead and put a new mirror on. So yeah, this is the little getter, the beater, parts picker upper, gas saver. Like I said, the Ranger to me has a lot of sentimental value, so you know, that's why this thing's not going anywhere. And so now that I have it, I'm just gonna be fixing it up and then showing you guys, you know, you don't have to have fucking AMG to be happy. You know, like this little Ranger makes me happy as fuck. It runs hella good, you know, and they're very affordable. You can get one anywhere from, I've seen them as low as $1,500 up to $4 grand, depending on how nice you want it. But you know, I think that, you know, this is something fun that we can do as a whole, as you guys can follow along and watch how we restore this thing and make it badass. You know, looks like we got a little bit of a leak down there, so maybe check the window, you know. But yeah, let's get this thing started up. Let's hear how it sounds. Alrighty then, key in, foot on the clutch. Alright, turn this off. Fine. But yeah, she turns right on. She idles good. We got the roll-up windows. No heated seats. You guys would be surprised, but I like driving this better than the AMG. No lie. This thing's just hella fun, little putt-putt. Alright, so, roll this window up. It's chilly here. Ooh. We're gonna go for a little drive because we gotta go get the thing Smog today. So that way I can get the tags on it. They just expired in December, so let's see how this thing runs. But I mean, this clutch, it's smooth, runs good, there's no issues, you know. The real thing is I want you guys to drop in the comments what you guys think we should do though. Should we lift it? I want to kind of Baja it, you know what I mean? But maybe we should bag it, you know, or maybe we should drift it. I don't know. Thing is that I can pretty much do anything I want with it, you know. So I just think we should have a lot of fun with it. Do some how-tos. But what is that? Ooh, man, that is what does this thing probably got? Like 150, maybe 200 horsepower if we're lucky. Sheesh! Big step from the AMG, I tell you what. But yeah, no, the other cool thing is because I have some big stuff gonna be happening with the AMG. This thing came in clutch because that AMG is gonna be put away for a little bit while it's getting worked on. Maybe you guys can figure out what I'm doing with that. Maybe not. But yeah, overall, this thing is it's a fun car to get around in. It's super good on gas. That's the $5 a gallon. This thing says, oh well, we ain't tripping. So, but yeah, no, I love driving stick, man. I miss my vet, you know, and now I got one. Here you go. Oh, this guy's trying to race. You didn't want the smoke. Left that guy in the dust. So we're gonna be heading over to one of my buddy's spots. His name's Leo, which is Leo Smog here in Fresno, California. And yeah, he does all my smogs when I need them. And yeah, so let's go see. Fingers crossed that this thing passes. It has no check engine light, but there's also no lights on the dash, so I don't really know. But right now we're gonna hop on the freeway. We'll see how this thing goes, you know what I'm saying? Shoo! Don't make me clutch kick it. I'll clutch kick this bitch right now. Yeah, that's right. See that? One tire fire. One tire fire. That wasn't a clutch kick, by the way. That was just shifting my weight, you know? Oh! Damn. I feel like the door's going to fall off when I do that. Here we go. Here we go. 50. Okay. And 60. Oh, we're in fourth. And 70. Yeah, this thing's too fast, man. I gotta slow it down. Sheesh. Oh man, we got some rattles in here we gotta take care of. I don't know where they're coming from, but they make a lot of noise. So, like I said, we are going to be redoing this whole thing, and you guys got to stay around for the next video where I do a detail. This thing, we're taking everything out of here. We are breaking out the pressure washer, and we are deep cleaning this interior. I'm telling you, this thing probably hasn't got the interior cleaned since my grandma bought it. You know what I mean? This was just her work truck. She threw everything in it. If she needed to travel somewhere, just there it was. That was it. So yeah, this thing needs an updating and a washing. But yeah, no, oh, we're smashing right now. Yeah, we're picking up to 90. Sheesh. Nah, I'm just kidding. This thing don't go 90. Okay, just like that, pulling up to Leo Smog right here. Looks like he has someone ahead of me right here, so get out and say what's up. Ooh. Got the manual, so I got to put the foot brake down, make sure we're in neutral, shut her off, slap it in reverse or forward depending on inclines. Just get out and let's hope this thing, well, honestly I think I'm going to keep this bitch running. Let's just keep it running just to play it safe. Ooh. Let's see. Let's see what he has to say. Whew, right here checking the monitors, seeing if she's ready to go.
Oh, the light's supposed to be on.
Well, bad news. Looks like there is a check engine light, but the bulb's burnt out, and we're running lean on bank 2. So, I guess we're gonna have to start trying to fix that, figure out what the problem is, and I gotta get a bulb put in so I can see the check engine light. So, I guess we're gonna have to postpone getting the Smog, which means I can't be driving it around right now. Shoot! But, yeah, let's get going. Damn! I really wanted to pass Smog right now and go get it registered. But alright. Alright, now I'm home just like that. Boom. That was kind of a fail, but it is what it is. It's a project car, truck, whatever you want to call it. So, you know, we're going to get it done either way. But I appreciate you guys, you know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Keep following along for who's following along. And let's get excited about this new build. I'm going to start Google searching some stuff. Go on eBay, get some parts. You know, so, you know. But yeah, that's it. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So let's go. You
Motherfucking son of a gun! Motherfucking Ford Ranger! See, you may be big and shit, but you ain't no fucking Ford fucking Ranger!